Hi, so in this video we're going to be looking at how we can breadboard a simple series circuit. Okay, so here what we have is a series circuit. Now what is a series circuit? A series circuit is basically one where the components are all in series. Okay, and how do you know they are in series? When the same current flows through those components, then we say that those components are in series. Alright, so if you look at this circuit over here, this is a closed loop circuit, and when the current flows, okay, it comes out of the 9 volts, goes through R1, then that same current goes through R2 and then goes back to the supply of 9 volts. Alright, so this is a simple series circuit, and now I'm going to show you how we can translate this schematic onto a breadboard design. Alright, so this is in multisim, online multisim, and now I'm going to transition over to Tinkercad. Okay, so there can be many tools available. Alright, so you can choose whichever tool that you're comfortable with to do this kind of circuit design and breadboarding. So for the breadboarding, I'm using Tinkercad. Okay, so I'm going to bring out a supply, the 9 volt battery. Okay, and let me just rotate it first. Alright, so this is the 9 volt supply. Now for a supply, alright, when you want to connect to the breadboard, okay, we usually use the top and bottom lines, right? So if you can see down here, there are two lines, okay, that are parallel. One is the plus line, the other is the minus line. Alright, as you can see from the label, the plus, the red line straight, and the minus, the black line straight. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to connect the positive, okay, a wire to the plus line. Okay, and what does that mean? That means this entire straight line over here, alright, is all connected to the plus 9 volts of the battery. Alright, and the minus, the negative of the battery, I'm going to connect it to the bottom row, alright, the negative row. Alright, so this entire row is all the negative supply. Okay, so what do we want? We want to connect the plus of the battery to the first resistor R1. Alright, so we're going to take out a resistor here. Okay, we're going to put it. Okay, so you can place it anywhere you like. Okay, so I'm going to place it here, and I'm going to call this R1. Alright, and what we're going to do is we want to make sure that the wires are connected such that the plus of the supply is connected to one of the terminals of the resistor. So I can connect this terminal of the resistor to the line over here, which is the positive supply, the positive of the supply. Alright, so what have we done? We have created this first connection, the plus of the battery to the first leg of the resistor. Alright, and now we want to connect the second leg of R1 to one of the legs of R2. Okay, so let me bring out another resistor. I'm going to place it anywhere here. Alright, so this is my R2. So what I can do is, of course, I can place it over here itself, alright, which means that since in the breadboard, okay, all these lines are connected column wise, alright, only the top lines are row wise, the lines in the middle section are column wise, alright, but there is again a gap in the middle. Okay, so if you look at, for example, column 9, the top half is not connected to the bottom half. There are two separate columns. Okay, and every column is by itself. So I can connect it this way, which means that the second terminal, okay, or the second line of the resistor R1 is connected to the other leg of resistor R2. Okay, so they are already connected because they are on the same column. Alright, but I can also change it up a bit here and connect a wire from here to here. Okay, so this means that the current that comes out of the plus will come here, go through the resistor, okay, go through this wire, then go through R2. So first R1, then R2, and then I can connect a wire from here to the negative line, so it can go back. Alright, so this is basically how you connect up a series circuit, okay, a series circuit on a breadboard. Okay, so this is the series circuit, and we have translated that into the breadboard design. Okay, so I hope this is clear. This is a simple circuit, but we always start off with something simple so you understand the concept of using the breadboard. Alright, so in this particular breadboard, the top two rows are connected, the bottom two rows are connected. Connected as in each row is one line that is connected, and the other row is another line that is connected. Alright, and the center portions are column wise connected, alright, with a break in the middle. Okay, so when you are designing it on your own breadboard, please do test out to make sure how the connections are, because some breadboards, the top line or bottom line may not be fully connected as well. There could be some break in the middle. Alright, so you need to sort of check your own breadboard to see how it is connected before you do the actual wiring. Alright, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.